Alright folks, so I just got a box of Ironlak paint supplies. I have no idea what's in it, so I figured I'd do an unboxing video because I've never done one of those, and I'm pretty excited, so maybe you guys will be too. Alright, cool, let's do that. Oh, all right, cool. So we got some Ironlak 0.4 millimeter fine liner markers. Dope. We got some fiber tip pens. More fiber tip pens. Ooh, we got a set of 12 sketching pencils. Ooh. Got, so it's a little black bag. It says Ironlak. Looks like it's got a bunch of different markers in it of various sizes. Cool, cool, cool. Got a little black book. Can never go wrong with those. All right, we got some premium color pencils. We got some watercolor pencils. Those are gonna be fun. We got some more watercolor pencils. So we got series 1 and 2 of those. Boom, series 1, series 2. We've got some premium color pencils, series 2. Both those. Sorry, camera. We got some Ironlak glitter pens. Man, I didn't know they made glitter pens. Dope. We got, Ironlak pump action paint markers. Those are some fun colors too. You know I like it bright. Got some woodless graphite pencils and some charcoal pencils. Boom. More metallic gel pens. Some more of these pump action paint markers. Pastel gel pens. Those are dope. And some nice chisel set pump action paint markers. Cool. Well, that's a nice empty haul. That's a nice little haul we got there. All right, cool. Let's see. Let's put it all together. So, I think this kit was like $75, but it was like $400 worth of stuff. So, I'm not a mathematician or nothing, but it's a pretty good selection of stuff we got here. I'd say definitely worth $75 for some premium art supplies. So let's see if we get a better shot of that. All right, cool. Well, thanks Ironlak. I hope you guys run another one of these deals because I'm definitely going to take advantage of it. Check their website. Follow them on all the social media stuff. I use their paint a lot, and look forward to trying out all this stuff. All right, cool. Have a good day, guys.